Hello, Clint Deckard from Enact Open Source Solutions. Today's tutorial will look at using the SchoolsCat website to search for bibliographic records and download them into our Koha library management system. I've already logged into the SchoolsCat website, so our first task is to scan the ISBN of a book that we're looking for. And it's found one record, and that is the book that we want to catalogue. So we select that and save that into our school bag. One record saved. The next step is to download our school bag. We need to log in again here. So that we can access the school bag. We've got one record in there. We're going to download as non-Unicode mark, the only choice available, and we download that. We'll see a screen with some non-human readable code, but that's the page that we want, and we choose Save Page As. It doesn't matter where you save it, so long as you remember where you've saved it. And that's saved. The next step is to import that saved record into our Koha system. We go into the Tools menu and Stage Mark Records for import. Then we browse to the file we've just saved, which is why we need to remember where we saved it, and then upload that file. Here we can add some comments to that just to remind us what this file contained, especially if we're doing more than one record. We can also choose to check if we've got existing records in our catalogue. We'll check using the ISBN, and if we do have a match, we'll replace it with the incoming record. If not, we use the incoming record. We'll also check for embedded item data and use that. We stage that for import, and that shows that we have one record, one staged, and no errors. The next step is to manage our staged records. We first want to use our book bibliographic framework. And then import this batch into the catalogue. That shows us that the one record has been added, and we've got no problems with that. The final step, we've got our bibliographic record. Our last step is to add an item to that record. We click on the bibliographic record and then choose New Item. Depending on your library and how you're cataloguing, you may want to add or include more or less information. I'm going to put it into our Fiction section and set it as On Display, and I'll put today's date as the date of acquisition and scan a barcode I've already attached to the item. And lastly and importantly, include the Koha item type, which is a book, and then add that item. That's it. The item's done, ready for loan, and that's our job finished. Thank you for watching. Clint Deckard from Enact Open Source Solutions.